Hello again, dinosaur fans. So we have the famous Tyrannosaurus Rex here. So this is a special limited edition that was at the Wonder Festival in China 2022. Could be 100 pieces, not sure. Kong Species is the brand, I think. Dino Roll is the line of products, and then I think this is the artist. Okay, that stuff, some barcode stuff there. Strong box because it's a rigid plastic. It's very fragile. So you do have this metal coin, brass coin I assume is number 14. So I think this is limited to 100 pieces. I think it would have been cooler if the coin actually said the dinosaur. Alright. But I guess minting coins, that's really, I don't know. I don't really need the coin, you know, I paid for that stuff. I also don't need this credit card thing. But you are supposed to be to register that thing. Oh, this is new. It's like a little map or something like that of this make-believe land of dinosaurs, I guess. And yeah, same image from the box. Gotta be really careful pulling these out of the box. If like a tooth or a spike or a claw snags the foam, you're gonna break it off. And also, I don't want to drop that, so. Suffice to say, this was kind of expensive, being limited. I got it off eBay. Just aren't many places selling these things. I have a suspicion these are handmade, like hand cast in silicone molds and then hand painted and airbrushed and all that stuff. So they're expensive and they seem to be rare. Also nice is this detail here of this cartoon skeleton, right? And it looks like it's embedded in rock with all these paint washes. This one doesn't seem like it's laying flat in there, but still it looks nice. Unfortunately, the product doesn't tell you what it is anywhere on here. So I add stickers to the bases. I put these on. So it's like rolling an egg, I assume, with like a geode kind of rocky texture, and it fades in color. So that's nice. These little things are painted blue, some white and black dots. And then we have these like chicken-like legs here with the 3 giant claws painted like a gray, and also maybe some dry brushing as well. And then you can see the fade of the paint here from like a green to blue. Some inner claws there. Yeah, skin texture looks like a elephant or a rhino or a chicken, I guess. Nice short tail, and I like how it's curved under, less chance of it breaking. And then you have those worthless arms, and they only have 2 claws. Yeah, I think that's true to the thing, right? Look at the photos. You'll notice the textures change quite a bit, right? Like these almost look like giant scales here. Going under the neck here. This jaw seems to be a separate piece. Nice fading, different greens going on, different textures. And then the mouth here has like these white teeth, but with the grayish blue paint wash. Not as good as the brown I see on the other ones, but it's a limited edition, so they mix it up. Nice details up in there, and then this tongue is floating in air, and it's kind of like a devil's tongue there. Yeah, side of the mouth is all glossy as if it's wet, so that makes sense. And I think that all these dino rolls have glass eyes, and they printed on the pupil there. Unfortunately, you can't spin the eye. That would have been really cool. It's a pretty matte blue up here. It's very matte finish. Yeah, alright, some big changes in the scaling on the head. Right, you got these rectangular ridges going down the center, and then they fade to really small. Right, so a lot of different details. The nostrils are like slits, no black paint in them. Yeah, all in all, it's really neat. We don't know the color of these dinosaurs, so I guess it could have been blue. So there you have it on a card. I think I'm going to switch to these larger rectangular cards. You might be a little curious if you collect these yourself. I basically don't want to have these things colliding with each other in my cabinet. So this is a 9 centimeter by 5 centimeter. I bought them as like a 50 pack. They're considered like wedding cards, like I think name cards for weddings or something. It's just cheaper to buy in bulk. I've been using these big discs instead, but you know, if I shift this around, that tail's going to collide with another one, and because these are fragile plastics, that's why I don't think it's a good idea to have see them touching. Anyways, this thing is called a Carnotaurus. That's also a limited edition from 2002. And this is a Ceratosaurus, just a normal edition. So they're all, you know, predators, big predators that thankfully don't exist anymore. Yeah, the one I have to get still is the Allosaurus. So I'm tracking that down right now. Alright, you can look up reviews of those other two. But yeah, it's nice to have the famous dinosaur that I knew as a kid. And still, I guess, the star of Jurassic Park movies. Thank you for watching. I still have to get the normal version, which is like a brown one. But it's really expensive and almost impossible to find. So we'll have to see if that ever happens. Thanks for checking this out. Bye now.